I wasn't sure if I should be celebrating or just hiding my age. It took me months actually to finally decide. But seeing all of you here tonight makes me realize that about the people, makes me realize that life is really about the people who walk with you through every season, and I couldn't ask for more. Yeah, to my better half, Marlon. Thank you for loving me through thick and thin. You've been my rock, my partner, and sometimes my biggest critic. I couldn't have reached this chapter of my life without your love and support. Thank you. Love you. To my wonderful kids, Krista, Chloe, and Liam, thank you for the love, joy, and meaning you've brought into my life. You've been my biggest blessing and the best part of my 50 years. Okay, next. To my Angeles Love Family, my co-workers, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you for being part of my journey, both professionally and personally. You've been more than my employers and co-workers. You've become a second family. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you. And to all my dear friends, some of you have been with me since the beginning of my journey here in Canada, and others have joined along the way. But all of you have filled my life with laughter, adventure, and memories that I will always treasure. Thank you for celebrating this milestone with me. Yeah, you've made my 50th truly special. I love you all. As I look back at 50 years, I feel incredibly grateful, not for the wrinkles or the gray hair, but for the love, the friendships, and the experiences that have shaped me. Tonight isn't just about celebrating my birthday. It's about celebrating all of you who have made my life richer. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's enjoy the night.
Bigyan ko Panginoon sa mga panginoon, ang mga kalusugan, ang pamatuloy mo, pahitan, para sa ating
Isis, happy 50th birthday to you. Thank you for being such a wonderful sister. Very supportive ka sa entire family mo dito. You're not getting older, you're just getting better. Enjoy your special day to the fullest. God bless.
Hi Maricel, happy birthday. Jeremiah 29 verse 11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future."
Happy birthday, Tito Maricel. Stay healthy, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tito Maricel. Enjoy your birthday, God bless. Happy birthday, Tito Maricel, God bless.
Happy birthday, Marcel. God bless you more.
Tito Sel, happy 50th birthday po. Wishing you happiness and good health. And wishing you see you all soon po.
Hi po, Tita Maricel. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day po and stay healthy po. Tita Maricel, happy birthday po. God bless po. Wala palagi. Ingat po kayo sa lahat ng ginagawa.
Hi Ate Maricel, happy 50th birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo good health palagi, tapos mag-iingat lagi dyan sa work mo, tsaka stay young at heart. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Ate, happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Alam ko, napakasayang birthday mo kasi magkakasama na kayo sa Canada. Happy birthday ko, sabi sa tita. Content lang Ate, palagi. Tsaka, sana makasunod na kami dyan soon. Bye-bye! Happy birthday, tita!
Happy birthday, tita! I love you, tita! Say I love you, tita! I love you, tita! I love you, tita!
Sabi-sabi na.
Happy birthday, tita! I love you!
Hi, Sid. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health and more blessing. More birthdays to come. Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Nina. Keep a beautiful smile because it makes you look young and aged. Ilang ka pala.
Hi, Auntie. Happy 30th birthday. More birthdays. Ingat po kayo palagi sa Canada. I miss you so much.
Hi!
Hello!
From the Philippines, my name is Raymond Hermoso at kasama ko ang aking pinakamagandang partner, Rona Cornell, para magiging ang aming birthday wishes para kay Ate Maricel. Kasi alam mo ba ka natin? Si Ate Maricel ay magsasalit ng kanyang 50th birthday.
Wow!
8-0-50, pero hindi mo naman yung itsura niya. Parang siyang 18 years old.
Batang-bata.
Batang-bata. At mukha siyang batang tingnan kaysa sa'yo. Anong laban ng buhok mo? Well, kidding aside, Ate Maricel, gusto lang namin sabihin sa'yo na mahal ka namin, na kahit malayo tayo, gusto ko malaman mo na care kami sa'yo at sa buong family mo. So, gusto ko lang malaman mo na sobrang proud kami ng ano man ang galit ninyo at sobrang happy kami na lahat kayo family na sa Canada. More blessings.
Happiness. Good health.
Siyempre, kailangan yun. At hindi mo natapos ang aming birthday wishes at hindi ka namin kinabasbasan. Gamit ang mga brilyante na Encantadia. Simulan ko na sa brilyante ng hangin. Brilyante ng hangin, ako na iyong pakinggan. Naway lang ni Tita Maricel dito ang malamig na hangin mula sa Canada. In short, nagpadala ka ng makasalubong. Oh my God, chocolate! Ate Maricel, baka naman. Kung hindi, matitipan mo ang init ng brilyante ng apoy. Ang brilyante ng apoy ay nag-symbolize ang init ng pagmamahal namin dito, mga Hermoso and Bernales family. Sa Canada, lahat ng mga kamag-anak namin na nandyan, especially ang nag-celebrate ang birthday. Ganun din ang brilyante ng lupa. Ang brilyante ng lupa ang magagabay sa inyong buong pamilya, Ate Maricel. More blessings, syempre kailangan yan. At syempre natin din ang brilyante ng lupa. Ito ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat ng Maricel, kaya dapat mong pakinggan, ang brilyante ng tubig ang magbibigay sa iyo ng kalinawan sa pag-iisip na dapat i-blow mo naman kami. Magpala ko na dito lang ang tubig namin. Ang higwa, pag-swimming, pag-dagat, ganun. Once again, happy 50th birthday. See you soon. Bye, everyone. I love you, Ate Maricel. Mama, choo-choo. Yeah. Oh.
Dahil Maricel, hindi mong ante. Lahat sa Mindanao, ulang kurang tayo na tanaw. Huwag ibigay pa rin tao sa kung nagwa inday. Hindi pa rin kayo nga. May hindi na makita na. Hindi mo ang nagwa yung makita mo ikaw. Salamat dahil. Happy birthday. Birthday. Happy birthday dahil.
Happy birthday, Maricel! Sa 50 katuloy na rin mo karon.
Lawas na, kaantay, Pasko, kasi lawas na ito. Paputol pa na ito ang pinakatuloy.
Hello po, nakabali. You're very good. Kakatawa nyo. Ingatan nyo po ang kalisunan nyo. At enjoy lang po.
Hi Maricel, happy birthday.
Hi Maricel. Kailan lang? Si Bintang na pala. Alam kong puro trabaho ka dyan. Kailangan ingatan ng sarili. Kung puro trabaho, kailangan ng pahinga. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ulit, Ate. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, Maricel. Sana lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. Naway, marami pang birthday dumating sa buhay mo. Miss ka na namin. Happy birthday. Ingat lagi.
Hi, Maricel. Happy birthday. 50th birthday. Kalain mo, no? Umabot tayo ng 50 years. Umabot ka ng 50 years. Wish ko health, number 1, para magkita-kita pa rin tayo pagdating ng panahon na magbakasyon ka rito. Alalahanin mo, marami kaming mga kamag-anak na laging nagmamahal sa'yo. Salamat, naalala ko kasi nung birthday ko. Salamat, binati mo rin ako. Yun lang. Good health. Ingat ka. Lagi wala naman sa itsura na 50 years. Tingin ko nasa 30 years ka pa rin. Okay, salamat.
Happy 18th birthday, Ninang! Happy birthday po. Wishing you good health. Alam naman namin na masaya rin kayo ngayon dyan sa Canada. Isa kayo sa mga inigidolo namin mag-asawa pagdating sa marriage, kayo ni Ninong. Stay healthy and always be happy.
Yes, happy birthday, Ninang. Ang ninang kong super ganda, hindi to matanda. Looking young as always. And wish ko sa'yo is good health and happiness. Yun lang.
Happy birthday!
Enjoy your day. Love you. From Bautista family, happy 50th, Tita Maricel.
We wish good health and more success to your career.
God bless you always. Bye-bye.
Mula sa aming pamilya, happy 50th birthday!